Hi, it's Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and here is another quick video just giving you a tip that can save you some time on how to take a list of keywords or titles or whatever else you have and turn it into a comma separated value list. Now, for example, I've got my list of titles here. All right, you can use a much larger one if you want. And I want to use these as keywords, because as long tail keywords. So I come to the site called delim.co, delim.co, delim.co. I come here and I just copy and paste my keywords or my titles or both here, and I click this arrow and it turns it all into comma separated. That way I don't have to sit there and add commas each time after it. Now, I could easily do it manually here, but if your list is a lot larger, you have better things to do with your life than typing commas or doing search and replace and all this. This just does it for you. It's a free tool, delim.co. Turn any list into delimited data for free. I've used it quite often. It saved me a lot of time. I hope it saves you time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Click below, join our mailing list. We give away a lot of free marketing software. We're always adding new ones. Got a bunch more coming up. So click the link in the description below to join our newsletter to get a bunch of free software, classified ad submitters, SEO software, and quite a bit of other stuff. So thank you so much. This is Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com. Check out delim.co. Save yourself some time turning your list into comma separated values. I'm going to click select, copy. Now I'm ready to go. Good luck. Thank you.